how to make these little lovely but very simple eyes. At first I'll take a black yarn. So I have 1, 2, I'll make them between second and third row. I'll take 1 stitch, make another one, and I already start making the second eye. So I'll come here, and I'll hide the yarn. So now I have the basic, and I'll come back with the green yarn. And when you hide the yarn, just cut it like this, and now use your needle to hide it. And I'll continue with the green yarn. And I'll make the upper part. And I hold it with my finger to make sure it stays here. And now let's continue. Again, hold it, and I'll go here right away. Just hold it. One is ready. Another one, I'll do the same. Hold it. And again, hold it, and here we are. Thank you.